Hello engineers, Radhe Radhe. So engineers, welcome back to our YouTube channels and most welcome back to our PLC logic tutorial day. And today is 93 day. In this PLC tutorial, we are going to just discussing about light control with day night sensor. Means you have to also watch ASC and understand. And there is a street light which work on the principle of day night sensor. When the day sensor is on, then light will be off. When the night sensor will be on, then light will be on. Means when day sensor comes, then light will be off. When night sensor will be come, then light will be on. So this type of work is done by with the help of photoelectric sensor. You have to also watch seen photoelectric sensor, and you have to also make this project in your college, in engineering college. So I have to just outdoor lights, there is no internet, so I have to just connect internet and just I have to describe about it. Outdoor lights, outdoor lights. Understand, this is the outdoor lights, outdoor street light, STRET, street light. Understand, this is the outdoor street light and its work on the principle of photoelectric sensor. When the night sensor will be on, then lights will be on. When the day sensor will be on, then light will be off. This type of concept is known as daylight and light control with day night sensor. So this type of logic today we are going to just create and develop in the PLC programming software. So let's discussing about create a PLC program to control outdoor lights based on a day night sensor. You have to just create a PLC program and develop a PLC program to control outdoor, it means street light, based on a day night sensor. You have to also watch the street light will be off in the daytime and on at the night time. So there are 2 points, and first point is the light should automatically turn on when the sensor detects darkness. Night means the light should automatically turn on. The light means when any light detects darkness, means night sensor, when darkness detect, then light should turn on. Understand, the light should automatically turn off when the sensor detects daylight. Means when the sensor, any sensor detects daylight, the light of day, then the light will be automatically off. This type of logic we are going to just create and develop in PLC programming software. So now I have to create a new routine, and I have to create a new routine, and this routine is going to just 94 0 093, and then which type of logic, this is light control with day night sensor, control C, and now I have to paste it here. Understand, and now I have to paste, or then I have to click on it, and then this routine will be created, and this is a totally blank routine. And according to this logic, I have to, now I am to going to create the logic, and this is the night sensor, this is the night sensor. Understand, this is a night sensor, and I have to create it and create, then light will be on. Okay, a street light will be on when night sensor detect, then a street light will be on, control C, control V. When day sensor will become, when day sensor will be calm, then light should be off. This is a very simple logic. Understand, this is a very simple logic, and it will be off. OTU means output latch. And now I have to create this logic. It is very simple logic. Understand, actually light, this is when the night sensor will be detect the light should be turned off on, and the when day sensor will come the light should turn off. This type of logic will be I have to create, understand. And when you have to create any logic in Studio 5000, then this is the subroutine, then you have to also call into main routine. So now you have to go to main routine, and in the description below, in the go to when last routine I have to go, and now I have to control C and then paste it and double click on it and call 093 number routine. And now I have to final verify controller, there is no any error, there is no any error, understand. Now I have to download this backup into Studio 5000 emulator software, understand. This is the Studio 5000 emulator software. Now I have to click on download. This is the Studio 5000 Logix emulator software. Because I have no any real PLC, this logic is totally based on emulator and means simulation based, understand. Now I have to click on 93 number logic. When night sensor will be calm, then light will be on. When day sensor will be calm, then light should turn off. There is any doubt? No, there is no any doubt, because this is the simple logic. When night sensor will be calm, light should on. When the day sensor will be calm, then light should off. I hope you will be understand what is the logic concept, and this is the very simple logic in in street light concept. I hope you will be enjoy this video. And now you have to just learn about PLC logic tutorial, then you have to click here, and now you have to just learn about how to run any pump control with start delay, then you have to just click on this video, and which was my previous video. Thanks engineers, radhe radhe. Meet me again with another logic of PLC. Thanks engineers, radhe radhe.